Good morning, sir. So this is my market review for August 27, 2020. So we have our scorecard here and we have our scoreboard. So first, AUD. So we have positive 4. For CAD, we have negative 3. For Euro, we have 0. For GBP, we have positive 3. For JPY, we have negative 2. For NVD, we have positive 6. For USD, we have negative 5. So let's filter out all invalid breaks and all gaps below 5. So we only have these tradable pairs. So let's check the chart. So first, we have OddCAD. So for OddCAD, pwede sana siya kanina G1 today. Kasi lang medyo late ako nag-execute today. So I'll wait for pullback na lang here in this area. So we have 40 and 88. So current distance from N3. So we have around 40 minutes. So ATR per hour, we have 61.2. So we have that one for OddCAD. And then for the market structure, we have ranging. So next for OddJPY. So for OddJPY, pullback play din siya. So for OddJPY, I think mas better if dito yung N3. So dito na line. Para mas okay yung RRR. So currently we have 52 and 106. Current distance from N3, we have 109. ATR per hour, we have 52.7. Next, we have Odd USD. So, by bias din siya. So, for Odd USD, we have this one. For me, this is also good for intra. Pwede din sana intra kanina. But for me, it's better na mag-pullback since medyo nasa top na din siya. So, dito yung entry ko. So, around 36 and 86. Current distance from entry, we have 93. Per hour, we have 59.9. Pwede din sana siya dito yung low kahapon, kaso lang 56 and then 44. So medyo bitin siya sa RRR. So dito na lang ako mag-place ng order. And then for the market structure, we have ranging din for on USD. So next, we have your NZD. So sell bias for your NZD. So sell bias siya, pwede siya, maganda siya kanina sana for G1 intraday. But since hindi ako nakapag-execute, so dito na lang yung entry ko for pullback play. And then SL, we have 71. P is 147. Then current distance from NP, we have 110. ATR per hour, we have 142. Next, we have your USD. For the market structure, so for me, this is ranging. Next is your USD. So for your USD, buy bias din siya. So for your USD, this is good for pullback play din. So dito yung entry ko. So we have 60 and 135. Current distance from NP, we have around 55. ATR per hour, we have 83.3. So for the market structure, this is ranging din. Next is GBP USD. So buy bias din for GBP USD. So this is good for, pwede din sana kanina G1 intraday kasi lang nasa top na siya. So for me, mas better if mag-pull back na lang siya dito na line. So dito yung entry ko. And then, dito yung stop loss. So around 62. TP is 160. And current distance from entry, we have around 145. Then ATR per hour, we have 113.8. So for the market structure, this is ranging. So next we have NZD CAD. So buy bias din. So sa NZD CAD, since buy bias siya, ready din siya kanina supposed to be G1 in the day. But since medyo na late ako, so G1 pullback na lang. So here, or let's see on the next day saan mas maganda ang entry. So for now, dito, so we have 34 and 91. And current distance from entry, we have around 102. ATR per hour, we have 71.5. So for the market structure, this is scoring is in H1. So for me, this is still on ranging. Ranging pa siya for now. So next we have NZD-JPY. For NZD-JPY, buy bias din. So, okay sana siya for intraday kanina. But for now, I'll wait for pullback here, a pullback here. So, this is around 35 and 80. Current distance from NP, we have 71. And then ATR per hour, we have 50. And then lastly, we have NZD-USD. For the market structure of this, scoring is nasa market structure, we have ranging for this one. And then lastly, again, we have NZD-USD. So, buy bias siya. So, for NZD-USD, pwede din sana siya G1 intraday kanina. But since again, late, so late ako nakapag-execute. So, dito na lang ako maghintay for any pullbacks in this area. So, we have around 36 and 101. For the current distance from NP, we have around 87. Then ATR per hour, we have 59. So for this one, market structure, for me, this is scoring is in H1. So for me, this is still on ranging pa siya. So for this one, ranging din siya. So that's my market review for today, sir. Thank you po.